I got a new toy today, and I am very happy with it. It's a stand for my laptop. It brings my laptop up, so I'm hunched over like this when I'm trying to work on it. So prior to getting this stand, you can see it here, my laptop was down here, and this was me. Boop, boop, boop. No, that's no good. So this stand is beautiful. I thought it was going to be too flimsy, but in fact, it's perfect. You can adjust it easily, but it's not going to slip accidentally. And you can see that it's quite stable. Boom, 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 boom. I have to really rock the thing to do it, and rock the table, and yeah, it shakes it, but it's not shaking off of the stand in any way. This is perfect. This is just great for my height and typing. This is the whole thing for me. I love this thing, and thanks so much.